In a quiet RPG town, a legendary boss pauses mid-fight for a snack break, flinging crumbs across the arena. The hero stalls, debating if potions count as appetizers and if the boss is goblin craving. A rogue tries diplomacy with a chat wheel, offering a sandwich if the battlefield glows neon with sprinkles. After eating, the boss shrugs and drops a tiny buff, while fans spam memes in the chat like a victory parade. The clip ends with a poll: should bosses get snack breaks or sprint through the kitchen with style?